The Ford Explorer wheel spacer can be used to adjust the offset and increase the back spacing.
BONOSS hub-centric wheel spacers are CNC machined, precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This eliminates any potential gap, ensuring a perfect installation. When choosing wheel spacers, good quality ones are quite important. Good quality spacers must be made of good material. The industry-recognized material for BONOSS wheel spacer is aluminum alloy. Usually two types of aluminum alloy, 6061T6 and 7075T6. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than the cast ones, mainly in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and proof load data.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!